Hi, my name is Manali, and today we're going to talk about what happened when I was born. Let me just tell you, I am a procrastinator and I was due for 24th of December, but for some reason I did not want to come out. So my mom went to the doctor, and in her words, she told him, "Get it out of me." So finally, I came out on 27th of December, and the doctor handed me over to my dad, and he held his baby girl for the first time in his hands, and he felt this sort of pulpy thing under his hand, and then he asked the doctor, isn't it supposed to be hard? Why is it so soft? And the doctor is like, oh yeah, we think her head is not fully formed. Everybody got really worried, and my grandma started crying, and my mom started crying, and my dad does not cry because he's a man, but his face goes really tomato red, and I'm told that that red tomato look was at its peak when they found out my head was not fully formed. So my dad asked the doctor, what what will we do now, what to do, because they thought there was something seriously wrong with me, like maybe I would have some mental disease. But the doctor just said, no, it happens 1 in 100 babies, just don't drop the baby. So the point of making this video is I want to tell you that I am a level 6 million procrastinator, because not only did I forget to come out of my mom, I put off forming my head. Like you have an assignment to give on 26th of March, and you just procrastinate and do nothing, and then you submit it on 26th of April. That's what I did. I did it with forming my head. Also, I want to tell you people that the reason I'm so intelligent and smart and beautiful, amazing and talented is because my head was not fully formed, and see, it got proper ventilation. Ventilation. It's the key to everything. This is something that I don't feel guilty about, but I extract a lot of things from people because I remind them that my head was not fully formed, and that people is my grandma. Like when I tell her, Grandma, my head is aching, it's really aching. Can I have $100? And she's like, okay, beta, take 500, huh? Poor thing, her head was not fully formed. Beta, you want me to make Maggie for you? Because I had such an amazing beginning to my journey, I've decided to document it on YouTube. Like, that was a great idea. So if you want to procrastinate and you want to waste time and you want to not study for your finals, this is the right place for you. Like my video so I can feed my ego, and click the red subscribe button down below to make it grey. If you don't like my video, it will not affect me in any way. Bye!